Tank cleaning solution from proposal to job well done. A need for a cost-effective and efficient solution for both tank cleaning and water treatment is obvious. A package able to do both is ideal. The concept started in 2015 and continued early 2019 with the proposal that later turned into a reliable solution able to safely clean tanks onshore, offshore and on supply vessels, and with further upgrades the unit will provide a reliable water treatment offshore discharge solution. Once the proposed principle was agreed by the client, he invested in all the materials for the construction of a tank cleaning unit, TCU. The package fits into a 10 feet offshore container that weighs under 3.5 tons. The TCU construction time including procurement was approximately 2 months. Mock-ups were designed and fabricated at the production facility and based on them an industrial subcontractor fabricated the components. The TCU components fabrication at industrial facility. Explosion-proof electrical controls are designed to be simple and reliable. TIG welding of stainless steel. Modular design allows the TCU to easy convert to a water treatment unit and vice versa. Slop recovery pumps upgraded for tank cleaning applications prepared for delivery. Unit, accessories, and chemicals carefully verified before the shipment to the client. Tank cleaning unit successfully commissioned at the client facility. Both thumbs up from the client after commissioning. Personnel hands-on trained by Constantin. Personnel trained in classroom by Peter. Boats successfully cleaned, Highland Guardian, Tromsøra, Kudu, Gudbrandsdal, and Gemsbach. Location, Nouakchott, Mauritania. Clients, Total and BP. TCU on various boat decks during tank cleaning operations. TCU tidy rigged up during tank cleaning operations. Solids inside WBM tanks needed to be cleaned. Solids settled inside OBM tank, during cleaning operations. The best tank cleaning machines on the market makes a hard job to look easy. Off-hire standard clean tanks delivered to the clients. Tromsøra's first officer inspecting the tanks. Highland Guardian's first officer wearing boots covers inspecting the spotless clean tanks. Gudbrandsdal's first officer inspecting his tanks also. Tanks sealing cleaned without time-consuming scaffolding. Vessels with internal stiffeners also cleaned to the brine standard. This project was made possible by Peter and Constantin. Peter with PKS Peter Kennedy Services. Constantin with Constantin Consulting. Thank you for your time watching this presentation.